Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites: WordPress 5, 6 plus, PHP 7, 4 plus, and a full backup. Once done, sign up with your chatbot provider and copy the API key and model ID. Then install a lightweight chatbot plugin or scaffold a minimal custom plugin. This gives you a place to send requests. Make sure to store the API key in wp-config or the plugin settings, not in theme files, so you can rotate it later without breaking the site. Next, you configure the connection and user interface. First, paste the API key into plugin settings, set the endpoint and headers, and use a sensible timeout like 10 seconds. Then design the chat UI, choose widget placement, a concise welcome message, quick reply buttons, and keyboard accessibility. After that, map intents to responses or backend actions and enable a webhook for session persistence so context survives page navigation. Test each change in a staging environment to finally deploy the bot to production during low traffic and watch error logs and response times closely. Once live, enable analytics and conversation logging so you can iterate on prompts and fallback messages for unknown queries. Make sure to train the welcome flow and escalate to human support when needed. If something breaks, first check API quota and key validity, then inspect cores, plugin or theme conflicts, and server timeouts. Resolving those usually gets the chat back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.